What's up, everyone? It's Sticks Trades here again with another recap. This time $150. It was so fast. I would say definitely in less than a minute. We're gonna go over this trade real quick. Again, on the SPY, this is the options chart. Strike was 278.5 on the calls. This is a 5-minute chart. This is a 1-minute chart. I only took one trade today, and then I got really busy. I had to go do some stuff. As you can see, it was only 3 cents. I basically just let it play out. I bought it, put my sell signal 3 cents, or put my sell order 3 cents above my entry price, and just let it roll. And did this real quick. All right, so let's see. As soon as the SPY opened up, I saw that it was getting some pretty good action. It hit the 90 EMA, it went past the 90 EMA, that's when I decided to take my trade. 50 contracts, got in at 86, which is right here. And a few seconds later, it hit 89, and it sold. Now, obviously, this sold without me getting my sell signal. My sell signal came in on this candle, but I wasn't present. I just let it roll, and it did its own thing. If I would have been here doing, my trading, myself, then I would have let it go until I hit the sell signal, and then I would have, of course, sold probably at maybe 102, maybe $1. So this trade could have actually been about 300, 400 bucks again, but that's okay. I'm just testing stuff out right now, make sure everything is good. And sorry about the sound quality. This is kind of extra information, but my microphone, my headset broke. I have another one coming in. In the meantime, I have to use the webcam microphone, and of course it sucks. So sorry about that. If y'all can just put up with that for a few videos. As soon as I get my other headset, we'll be back in business. Anyhow, but I'm testing other things so that I can start my 2.5K challenge. The 2.5K challenge, the reason I'm doing all of this testing on the big account is because I'm taking the 2.5K challenge all the way up to $25,000. I haven't done one before. I've done a 5K challenge, which is way easier. I haven't done 2.5K challenge on a cash account. I've always been on a margin account, so I can reuse that money right away. So there's things I'm trying to learn, and things I'm doing some testing on, and behind the scenes, in other words. So that's why you haven't seen the large profits that I normally bring, which my daily goal, it's about 1,000 a day. You're seeing these small little numbers. Also, I'm testing my swing trade system, but putting it to options. So in other words, I want to swing trade options, which I've done in the past, but not to the degree that I want to do that in. So that's also some more testing that I'm doing, which is taking some time away from my trading. But anyhow, back to the subject at hand. This was my quick little trade, 150 bucks. This is the 5-minute. Again, you can see it was one candle. This is the 1 minute. It's supposed to be the 1 minute. There it is. Right here. So entered right here. Right there where my cursor's at. Moved up, that candle finished, and then I exited right there as soon as it hit 89, which was altogether, even though there's a 1 minute candle, it was less than a minute. It's actually very fast. As you can see, I could have, if I would have been present while the trade was happening, I could have ended the trade with maybe 4 cents more. Actually way more than 4, maybe like 10 cents more, but that's all right. There were plenty of opportunities to make money today. Look at this, man. Great. You could have gone on the puts here, added here again, added again, sold when you got your sell signal. Amazing. This could have been a large percent. That could have been maybe, I don't know, 50, 60% move right there. And then around 11 is when I called it quits, I think, or maybe 10:30 something. Yeah, 11 o'clock. And I went and drove the motorcycle a bit. So I'm just looking at what happened afterwards. So some more opportunities here, more opportunities here. Yep. All right, well, that's it for this trade. That's it for the recap. Again, follow me on the social medias. I have huge things coming. Really, really important things that could help people out there. So please follow. I have the link to the Discord posted down in the description. Hit a like, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.